In this video, we will discuss about difference between CPU and GPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. CPU is used for general-purpose computation task. GPU is used for specialized computation task. CPU is optimized for sequential processing. CPU is optimized for parallel processing. CPU has smaller memory. GPU has larger memory. CPU is generally less expensive than GPU. GPU is more expensive than CPU. CPU emphasis on low latency. GPU emphasis on high latency. CPU runs operating system, applications, and tasks. CPU handles graphics rendering, machine learning. CPU consume lower power. GPU consume higher power. CPU uses lower bandwidth memory like DDR4/DDR5. GPU uses high bandwidth memory like GDDR6, HBM2. CPU is versatile for a wide range of tasks. GPU is highly efficient for specific tasks. CPU handles single-threaded, complex tasks. GPU handles highly parallel tasks.